Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotions or becoming an unfeeling robot. It's a philosophy that equips you with mental tools to navigate life's challenges with clarity and resilience. Picture this. You've been investing for a while and suddenly the market takes a nosedive. Panic sets in. But a Stoic mindset reminds you that while you can't control the market, you can control your response. You stay calm, assess the situation, and make rational decisions. One fundamental Stoic principle is understanding the difference between what you can control and what you can't. Apply this to your finances. You can't control market fluctuations, but you can control your savings rate, your spending habits, and your investment strategy. Stoicism encourages you to focus on what's within your sphere of influence. Another gem from Stoicism is the practice of negative visualization. It might sound counterintuitive, but regularly imagining worst-case scenarios prepares you mentally to handle adversity. So instead of fearing financial setbacks, you face them with resilience and creativity. Stoicism also champions the idea of amor fati, or a love of fate. Embrace the idea that whatever happens, even financial losses, is an opportunity for growth. It's a powerful perspective shift that turns setbacks into stepping stones. Remember, the Stoic path isn't a quick fix, and it won't magically make you rich overnight. It's about cultivating a mindset that empowers you to make better financial decisions, navigate uncertainty, and find contentment regardless of your circumstances. So, as you continue your financial journey, consider integrating Stoic principles. The impact might surprise you. That's it for today's wisdom on Stoicism. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical insights. Thanks for watching.